My name is Bridget Nunez, and I will be rapping about my Chemistry 102 course. I don't really have a name to this rap. I just called it my chemistry rap. And let's start off with periodic table. Elements, liquid gases, and some metals. Metals to the left, non-metals to the right. Down across, up and down is the way to go. We got two groups as all our earth metals. Lithium, barium, sodium, and magnesium. Potassium, calcium, and strontium. Cesium, barium, and radium. Next we got all our non-metals. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine, phosphorus, sulfur, and we got chlorine, selenium, bromine, and we got iodine. We need some oxygen in order to breathe, and we got fluorine, some fluorine for our teeth, vanadium, titanium, and we got some zinc. Transition metals, they all come to a link. 3 states of metal, solid, liquids, and gas. Metal conduct, heat, and electricity. Liquid volume, but flows freely. Solid objects always hold a shape. Covalent bonding always involves sharing. Ionic bonding always require losing. Sodium, chloride, potassium, fluoride, magnesium, and calcium are in our bondings. Our different shells are in an element. Inner shell, second shell, and our third shell. Inner shell has 2 electrons. Second shell has 8 electrons. Third shell has 18 electrons. Fourth shell has 32 electrons. Fifth shell has 50 electrons. Electrolytes can conduct electricity. Sodium, chloride, and magnesium, calcium, potassium are in our body. Without electrolytes, no cells communicate. Cells in our body rely on electrolytes. We got some ions that are positively charged. We got some ions that are negatively charged. We got some ions that are predictable. Without a doubt, this is some chemistry.
Okay. You got a little flow there. That was great. You can hear how much time and energy and effort you put into this. This is so good. So good.
It was so hard.
Yes. Okay. So start off telling me a little bit about your process. Why did you pick the class that you picked to do for this? And then about your writing process.
Well, I chose chemistry just because chemistry is a subject I struggle with a lot. Like, it's not my strongest topic. And for our midterm, like, we had to memorize like non-metals and metals, where are they located, like some examples of them. And it's just like, I struggle, like, even if I have an image in front. That's why I felt like this rap kind of helped me, because I understand like my non-metals are on my left side, my metals are on my right side, and then I have memorized some examples. I first started off with looking with a beat, just because I wanted to have like kind of an idea as to whether I want to do something slow, nothing too fast, because again, I'm really not an expert at rapping. So
okay.
This was like new to me. And well, I just started off like using my notes and just reading over them. And then I just started like trying to make it rhyme, but just not every section. Like it was kind of hard to do that.
Yeah, but no, you did phenomenally. This is a really good first song. Good job.
Yeah, but this really helped me
a lot. You could tell that the slower beat worked better for you, and it fits your vibe too, which is really important, like artistry wise, to pick things that fit your vibe. And so that makes this more useful as a study tool.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Wonderful. So tell me a little bit more about that. Tell me a little bit about its usefulness as a study tool for you.
I find it useful just because I practice every day. So it kind of like got stuck in my head. So now it's like while I'm taking my test, I feel like I can like kind of memorize and just sing it to myself. I find songs more useful than just a studying guide itself. Like I kind of think music is better than rather just me just sitting here and looking at a piece of paper. Like I feel like it's so useful, and it actually got me out of my comfort zone.
Okay. So you think you might do this again then?
Yeah. This
Yeah,
is
okay. I can see it. It's all in your face. Like you're ready to write another one. I can see you. You're like, I want to study more. This is great.
Yeah, but this really helped me like a lot.
Good. I'm so glad to hear that. Okay. So if you had to leave some advice for future peers doing this project, what would it be?
Don't procrastinate, get creative, and it doesn't necessarily have to rhyme, like just have fun with it. Like don't think of it as an assignment, just think of it as, like an activity just to get
Right.
out of your comfort zone and just have fun.
Okay. Wonderful. I think that's great advice. Okay. Well, this was very, very well done. I will probably end up using this for other peers. I really like the way that you put this together. It's phenomenal. Good job.
Thank you.
All right. So I will, do you have any questions for me?
No, no questions.
So I'll go ahead and end your recording now. So give me a second here.